So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find a player on the map in Whiteout Survival. So if you want to find a player without direct coordinates, you can check your battle or defense reports for their location or ask for their coordinates in the world chat. So you can find a player by opening up world and you can look around for that specific player with the usernames if it's familiar to you. If that's not the case, you can then just ask for or you can look for information through your combat logs. You can get coordinates directly, so ask the player if you know each other through some private message, or check if someone knows them through the global chat. So you can just type in to the global chat about that. You can also find their alliance hive for territory, banners, or fortress, or you can send a scout to their last known city location for specific coordinates. So these are some different ways to properly find that person, so you can see that intel that is going to be helpful for finding out more about that specific player. So you can text them if you know them, but as I mentioned, it's going to basically be a bit harder if you don't know their exact coordinates. So if they can text them to you, it's going to be much simpler. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Whiteout Survival or similar topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.